Hello, and welcome back to the AIC Consulting YouTube channel. Today, we're demonstrating how to install and use the Excel add-in for Sage X3. Sage X3 comes with a handy Excel add-in that makes transferring data from grids directly into a spreadsheet super easy. This video will guide you through the installation process and show you a basic export. Linking Excel with Sage X3 really boosts functionality and simplifies your workflow. Let's start by trying to export this account balance grid into Excel. We'll click the Actions button, then Excel Export, and Export again. Here's the file we want to download. Click on it to download. Now, head to your workstation's Downloads folder and click on the file you just downloaded. When we open it in Excel, we see this error. The Sage X3 add-in required by this workbook is not installed or is inactive. This means we need to go back to Sage and install that add-in. To do that, go to the Administration module, then Utilities, Installation, and click on Install Add-in for Office. Navigate to your Downloads folder and click on the add-in file you downloaded. This will launch the setup wizard. Just follow the steps, and it will install the Sage X3 add-in into Excel. If you have Windows User Access Control (UAC) enabled, you might get a warning during installation. Simply click Yes to proceed. The Sage add-in installation is complete. As you can see, we have a message confirming completed the Sage X3 Office add-in setup wizard. Click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Now, let's go back and try exporting that account's balance grid to Excel again, just like before, and see what happens. Actions button, Excel Export, Export, and download the file once more. Go to your Downloads folder, click the downloaded file, and it should open your Excel spreadsheet. You'll still see a message, but just remember to click Enable Editing, and voila! All your data has been exported, and most importantly, the Sage add-in is now installed in your Excel. As you can see, all the data from that grid is now perfectly exported onto a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and bye-bye.